Today we are making chicken döner kebab. Hello everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Chicken döner kebab. You might also know as shawarma or gyro, a popular street food in Turkey. It can be either from meat or chicken as a sandwich in wrap version on top of beautiful rice pilav. And today we're gonna make it from chicken. It is very easy. We're going to make a beautiful marinade sauce, and while it's resting we're gonna prepare our sandwich and enjoy. Let's make it. You can use mix of chicken breasts and boneless chicken thigh if you like. I'm gonna prepare my marinade first. Just squeeze out the water, the juice. Adding 2 tablespoons yogurt, 1 tablespoon pepper paste. This is sweet. You can use hot if you like. 2-3 cloves of garlic. 3 tablespoons olive oil. And the spices. Teaspoon each paprika, cumin, black pepper and salt. I'm gonna add half teaspoon more. And going to whisk everything, and my marinade is ready. Next I'm gonna slice them thinly a little bit, like making schnitzel, so the sauce will interact better. And I'm gonna put this back to my bowl. Add my sauce into the chicken and mix well. Got a nice spatula to get everything. Okay, I have my marinade all over my chicken pieces, and now going to transfer the chicken into this freezer bag that I opened the side so it is big. You can also use stretch film, but mine is very thin right now and I don't think it can hold. I'm gonna try with this. I'm trying to make like a lock shape and then going to seal it. I have this metal clips, I can say, just going to seal it. We can wrap once more with the stretch film so it can hold its shape better. It's ready, perfectly wrapped. I'm gonna freeze it. You can cook it in the next day or wait until it sets the same day. We'll see. Okay, my dough is risen. It's been about an hour. Now I'm gonna divide into 12 pieces and then make a ball. And with the rolling pin, I'm gonna shape them into discs. The thickness should be around less than half centimeter and the diameter is about 16 to 18. I have the 4 here and we'll cover and let them rise again for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I heat up my oven into 250 Celsius degree and cooked for about 8 minutes until it is puffed up and golden. It quickly bakes, so be careful and don't overbake. Cover them with a damp cloth. You can also sprinkle some water and let them cool down. I have 1 eggplant cut and then sliced thinly. Soak in salty water for 20 minutes and pat dry. Did the same with my French fry cut potatoes and seasoned with some salt and olive oil to bake in air fryer. Meanwhile, I grilled my eggplant slices in a lightly oiled, well-heated cast iron pan. Did the same with the green peppers. Okay, everything is ready. The only thing left is to cook my chicken doners. I have my grilled veggies here. And it is optional, but it will be easier to thaw a little bit first. Let's say 1 hour before you want to serve. Slice them and refreeze. It will be easier to transfer like this. My potatoes are in the air fryer and my cast iron pan is well heated now. We are ready to cook our chicken doner. Here we go. My chicken is also ready. I even heated up my tombik ekmek. I'm gonna prepare for 2 of us with Zeynep, which is behind the camera now waiting. Let's make our sandwich and taste. I have two beautiful chicken doner sandwich. We also have our ayran yogurt drink. This time I made it with mint. I'm planning to share it as a short video. You can check on my channel in the shorts tab. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm gonna give you this one. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can I have a bit more, please? Yes. Wow. When you begin to eat, you just want to bite more, right? It is very delicious. What do you think, Zainab? She's still eating. Perfect. So we're gonna continue. Give it a try. The chicken doner and the bread goes very well, but it's up to you to add the veggies. You can only do it with the chicken doner, some potatoes, lettuce. I also have beef doner recipe on my channel. You can check. I'm gonna add the links and lots of other kebabs and Turkish cuisine recipes. See you next time. Afiyet olsun.